Hey guys, let's go to problem 19. So I need to find the distance between 3x plus 4y equals 12 and 3x plus 4y equals 72. Oh no, the answer is not obviously 60, okay? So there must be some other answers. All right, so how do we find it? Well, we're gonna eventually draw those lines that are actually given. And it should be parallel, right? So I'm just gonna say one of those lines, 3x, is it plus 4y? Equals 12, okay? So we have that line, and of course we get extra line, 3x plus 4y equals 72 for sure. Okay, so what do? Plot a point, any point, doesn't matter which point that we're looking for. So we got A, comma B, got to label first, okay? We labeled, and we go exactly perpendicular amount. And that perpendicular amount is going to produce some kind of right triangle. That must be a right triangle. So let's just try to think about what has happened for this line equation, or that line equation. What is the slope of that line equation? The slope of that line equation, you can say that 4y equals negative 3x plus 72. And you can also say that 4y equals negative 3x plus 12. Well, the slope will be negative 3 over 4. So the slope will be negative 3 over 4 times x plus something, 18. And we get y equals negative 3 over 4 times x plus 3, okay? So we have all these information. Now that means that perpendicular line will have the slope of 4 over 3 because it has to be a negative reciprocal of these numbers, right? So I'm just going to call it as 3 times k, and I'm going to call this 4 times k, okay? So that's going to be 3k and 4k. So what do you notice? That's going to be 5k for sure. That's what I want. All right, but having, having written it down in this way, it just still doesn't solve the question. I need to find some other stuff. I haven't used this information yet. Can I identify the coordinates of that point? I think I can. I can call it as A plus 3k, and I can identify this as B plus 4k. And all I need to do is just to plug this information back into the upper line. All right, so let's just try to do it that way. 3 times A plus, that's going to be 3k. And I got 4 times B plus 4k. Well, what is this? This is going to be 72, guys. That's going to be 72. All right, so what do you know about 3a plus 9k? I have no idea what that is. But 4b plus 16k, well, that's going to be 72 for sure. All right, so what is 3a plus 4b? I know that a comma b stays on that line. So wait a second. That means that 3a plus 4b is supposed to be 12. That's right. So this got to be 12. Okay, so these are 12. Now I got 9k and I got 16k. If you add them up, it becomes 25k. So I got 25k equaling what? 72 minus 12. So that's supposed to be 60, and I got 25k. All right, so do I really need to get k? I don't know. What do we need to want? What do we want? We want 5k. We want the value of 5k. So that means 5k should be 60 over 5, and the answer is going to be 12. That shall be it.